Once upon a time, in a serene monastery nestled within the misty mountains, there lived a young monk named Koji. Koji was known for his vibrant spirit and deep contemplation, seeking to unravel the mysteries of life. One day, his wise master Zenko called him to his side. "Koji, come, sit with me," Zenko said, patting the stone bench beside him. Koji obediently settled next to his master, ready to absorb the wisdom that always flowed from him. "Look at this pebble, Koji," Zenko said, holding a small smooth stone in his weathered hand. "Observe its simple existence and contemplate its impact." Koji observed the pebble intently, puzzled by its significance. Zenko continued, "Every action, every word we utter, and every thought we hold is like this pebble. It creates ripples that reverberate through the vast pond of existence. These ripples can influence the lives of others near and far." The young monk's eyes widened with realization as he began to understand the profound meaning behind his master's words. He saw the interconnectedness of all things and the responsibility he held within his heart. From that moment on, Koji dedicated himself to creating positive ripples in the world. He understood that even the smallest acts of kindness, like a smile or a kind word, could touch someone's soul and bring them solace in troubled times. Koji ventured beyond the monastery's boundaries, eager to make a difference. He helped villagers carry their heavy burdens, offered comforting words to the grieving, and shared his meager meals with those in need. He treated everyone he encountered with compassion, recognizing the divinity within each being. News of Koji's benevolence spread like wildfire, and soon people from distant villages sought his guidance. They shared their troubles and sought solace in his wisdom. Koji listened attentively, offering words of encouragement and practical advice. One day, a weary traveler arrived at the monastery, his eyes heavy with despair. Koji invited him in and asked about his troubles. The traveler explained that he had lost his way in life, feeling trapped and directionless. Koji smiled warmly and said, "Your path may seem unclear, but remember, every step you take is an opportunity to create ripples of positivity. Start by taking small actions aligned with your true purpose, and the path will unfold before you." Inspired by Koji's words, the traveler embarked on a journey of self-discovery, committing himself to spread kindness wherever he went. As he traveled from village to village, he shared Koji's teachings, igniting a chain reaction of compassion and understanding. Years passed, and Koji's teachings continued to ripple across the world. Villages that were once divided found unity, and individuals who had lost hope found solace. The pebble that Koji had become, with its countless ripples, had transformed into a mighty wave of positive change. Koji's story lived on through generations, inspiring countless others to be mindful of the ripples they created. The young monk had learned that no act of kindness was too small, for every action, every word, and every thought had the power to shape the world. And so, the legacy of the young monk named Koji, who strived to make positive ripples through his words and deeds, continued to touch hearts and transform lives, reminding humanity of the interconnectedness and the immense power they held within their own pebbles. As always, thank you so much for watching, and may this story inspire you to embrace the pebble within, and to create a wave of positive change that resonates far and wide. And may the ripples you create be a testament to the immense potential we each hold to transform the world, one small act of kindness at a time.